If you need to double the fraction 5/8, here's how you do it. So I'll show you two ways. The first way is you could just multiply 2 times 5/8. And the thing is, to do this, think about this as 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is still 2, but see, everything lines up nice. So now with fractions, you multiply the numerators. 2 times 5 is 10, and then the denominators, 1 times 8 is 8, and you get 10/8. That might not be real useful for you, so let's simplify it. Since they're both even numbers, we can just cut them in half. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we get 5/4. Maybe you want a mixed number. 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over, and we bring the denominator across. And we end up with 1/4. So when you double 5/8, you get 5/4, or you could call it 1 1/4. All right, one more way you can do it real quick. Since you're doubling 5/8, you could just add 5/8 plus 5/8. And when we add fractions, if the denominator is the same, we just add the numerators and then bring the denominator across. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and then we bring the 8 across and we get 10/8. And you could do the same thing where we simplify it and change it to a mixed number as well. But that's it. That's how you double 5/8. Thanks for watching.